Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make your Facebook account private. Now firstly, you need to open the Facebook app. Now tap on the three lines at the top right. Now scroll down and go to settings. Now once you're in the settings, go to how people find and contact you. Now go to who can send you friend request. Now tap on friends of friends. Now go to who can see your friend list and limit that to only me. Now just go back and tap on who can see you with an email and select only me. Now again go back and select the option do you want search engine results to show your profile. Now turn it off. Just go back to the settings now. Now go to post. Now in the post section, you can actually customize who can see your post or who you don't want to see your post. Now just select the options that you want to prefer. Now go to profile and tagging. From here you can limit who can post on your profile and who can tag you. And that was the whole making your Facebook profile private process. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe.